Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and strong and courageous and cool. We finally had some cooler weather, really cooler weather today. So anyway, I am working on my junk journal July day number 5, and that is lettering. This is what I have made so far. And this would be my next page, but I'm going to skip over that. And this would be my next page. But I am going to cover it because the lettering that I want to make is like that late 60s, early 70s kind of groovy vibe. And I was inspired by these stickers that I got at Michael's. And the lettering will be sort of like this. So, and then I'm going to decorate with some stickers, but for the background, I want to have something kind of groovy too. And I'm wondering if I want my word that I'm going to write down to be, where is it? I'm looking for my inspiration here. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Here it goes. Peace. Remember the peace sign from the 70s? Remember Nixon and the peace sign? If you're as old as me, you'll remember Nixon. But anyway, my word is going to be peace. And I'm going to decorate it with some groovy stickers. And I'm going to make some groovy lettering. So let's pick out my background. It can't be too busy. So actually, I probably could just use those stickers, but then I wouldn't be doing the lettering, would I? It doesn't say handmade lettering, but I think I'll try it. Let's find a background. I recently got these 2 paper pads from Dollar General, and they kind of fit almost perfectly on here. There might be a little bit I can cut off on the bottom here, but I was thinking I like these polka dots. It's not too busy, but it's still kind of groovy. So let's see. I think that would be okay. And I can always cut this bottom part off. I also want to cut this off. And so I'll do that. I'll glue that on. Cut the bottom off. And I think I think these will show up okay on there. Let's see. I think that would show up just fine, actually. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. And I am going to use these letters as inspiration for, the style. So, first things first, let's glue this down. And wondering what kind of glue to use. Maybe I'll just go ahead and use this. But I don't want to get glue on all my other pages, so let's actually also mark off where I'm going to cut it. Okay. So let's cut that first. Or actually, let's not. Let's glue it first. Because you never know. I might make a mess up. So I'm not covering up this little thing here. I could put washi tape on that, I suppose. Oops. Hopefully this will stick. Okay, get that and line it up. Alright, that's a little off here. Not that much though. There we go. Alright, I think I need a little more glue over here in the corner. I guess I did cover up some of the spine, that's alright. And now let's cut this part off. I didn't really even need to draw a line on it, did I? So hopefully, I'm just going to not cut the whole spine of the signature off though, because I don't want to mess up the stitching. So that's good. And now I just need to write peace on something. And I'm wondering if I want to do that on white paper and then just maybe put a little background of a different colored paper. So I think that is what I'm going to do. And I need to find what markers I want to use for that. And I need to get my white paper. I think I actually did this last year for some either Junk Journal July or maybe this Junk Journal January. But anyway, let's try to make a P. That's not bad. E. I think maybe that little. It's not as easy as it looks. This should be fatter. Okay, that's good. PEA. Too much of an indent. I'm copying this. Okay, I'm still on camera. That's another problem I have, an issue. Alright, let's get this busy. Let's get busy. Okay, I think that looks pretty good actually. What I think I'm going to do is outline it in ink and then erase any pencil marks. And I think I might color them in each a different color. We'll see. We'll see how I like that. Let's see if this is a good pen to use. No, this one does not seem to be working very well. I think I'll go with this one. No, that's brown. I need my black one. So let's do this. Still on camera? Yep. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. because my hand is obviously over it. Alright, now let's erase the pencil marks. This pencil, or this eraser is so messy. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. I did make a little mistake right here and here, but I think I am not going to do it again. And I also think I need to get some really bright colors for this, so let's do this. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're happy. I think I already said this. Oh yeah, I want some neon green. I hope your summer's been pretty good. I mean, I'm filming this on June 27th, so for you it's already, what, July 4th or 5th? What day did I say it was? I don't remember. I'll have to look in my book. I don't know if this is day 4 or day 5. I think it's day 5. Let's get some blue. Or should I do yellow next? I'll do yellow next. This is not actually yellow, it's orange. Orangey yellow. Okay, then we'll do blue. And this is orange. Maybe we'll do purple, because that's kind of orangey already. Whenever I see like a prompt for lettering, I immediately think of calligraphy, which I'm terrible at. And I can kind of do fake calligraphy a little bit, but this is easier. Okay, so that's that. We'll cut that out. And I could cut out each individual letter, but I don't think I'm going to do that. And we shall put a little border around it. I don't know, some bright color. And I think it'll be fine. Let's see, I need my bigger cutter. I also think I might need a new blade soon. Yeah, see what it's doing? I think I might have a blade. Check, I didn't do it. Well, yeah, I did. And now this way. I'm gonna have to look for a blade, see if I have one. Because it is very raggedy. Yeah. Maybe I'll use my other cutter for... Okay, not liking all these little frayed edges, but I don't want to braid it again. Okay, let's find a nice piece of bright colored paper. We're behind that. We got this at Dollar Tree. Maybe we'll do pink, or what else do we got here? Blue, green. Actually, I kind of like the blue. Let's do blue. I'm going to put it on with tape, right like this, and cut around it. Let's see. Okay, so we'll put that right in the middle. Oops, I bumped the camera. I am sorry. I'm going to put that right there. Hopefully that's straight. And I did want to put this big white flower here. We'll put that here. Smiley face flower. And now I need to find a nice peace sign. I was hoping I had a bigger peace sign. Oh, here's one too. Let's look through it. Again, here we go. Here's a bigger. Put this here. What else have we got? Maybe we should put a psychedelic mushroom in there. I used to have flowers like these all over my wall. Flower power stickers. I was looking for a bigger peace sign. Here we go. Oh, look. I think I'll use this one instead. It's much bigger. So we'll put this over here. See if I can get this off. I think so. There. We can put that back here. I'll get this bigger peace sign here. And go right there. And maybe a couple of flower power flowers. Where'd they go? Here we go. Like here. And let's get a green one. Over here. A white one? Maybe not a white one. Let's see. We have some psychedelics. I don't know about the psychedelics. I guess that's... What have we got here? I think maybe this one. I'll put this one right here. And that is my... Oh, I still have to put my little number on there. What number was it? Yeah, number 5. Okay. We'll get my number 5 out with black ink. I need a circle to put it on. And what color circle? Maybe a pink circle. I wonder if I can use this. I have a feeling it's not going to cut very well, though. We'll find out. I think all my blades on... Oh, that one actually worked. All right. I think most of my blades on stuff is starting to wear out because they're so old. Well, some of them are new, like my giant circle is new. Let's hope. Do it on a scrap. Oh yeah, that worked good. Okay, so we will put this right here, and that'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until the next time, please be safe and healthy and happy and at peace. Not always easy. I know. I struggle with anxiety about what could happen. All the bad things that could happen constantly. But let's see what tomorrow's is going to be. Tomorrow's, oh, my favorite, wildlife. Nice. We'll see you again tomorrow for wildlife. Bye-bye.